here to Balsam Lake. Got our registration done. Now headed to the campsite.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars.
We're having some ketchup chips. You can only find these in Canada. They're so good.
Tent number 1 is done. Now we are on our tent number 2.
It's getting dark. It's about 9:20 now. We're back at the camp. Gonna start the fire pit and some ribs. So let's do it.
So let me tell you guys one thing. That barbecuing is not easy because the smoke
You know the
comes.
lid is closed, right? I don't know what you're giving the air to.
Oh, okay.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning. We heard some sounds outside our tent. We got the ready too, so just in case something comes, everyone's on alert right now. So. Day 2, we just woke up. It was a crazy night. I think we just got attacked by bears. So we're gonna check out the campsite to see what it looks like. We wrapped up from the campsite and now we're at the lake. We're getting kayaks and paddle boats. Plan is to take them far in the lake, jump in, have a good time. So let's go. So we're done with the beach. I got a crazy tan even though I was using suntan lotion, but now time to eat. We got Yagazi in the house who's gonna be doing the barbecue. We're gonna end the day today. There's a big storm coming. You could probably hear it right now.
Can you guys hear the thunder?
It was an awesome week here, or for 2 days. So you can see how red my nose is. Balsam Lake, highly recommend it. It was really good. Alright guys, if you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. What are other good sites in Ontario we should check out? Alright guys, peace out.